Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, consider subscribing so you join the growing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If you see me laughing or smiling somehow, my partner is behind the camera now and he's trying to distract me. So that's what he always do. Whenever I'm trying to record, he will stay behind my camera and try to distract me. But today, I must make this video. So I want to talk about something real quick. So if you see me, you see I'm still on my shirt. I just came back from church, and I want to talk about something. If I'm the only one suffering from this thing, or any other person have experienced it or suffer from it, let's see. I will know your thoughts. You guys will tell me what you guys think later, but let me first of all go with my own. It's 1 year I gave birth now. 25th of this month, August, is going to be a year. My twins will be a year old and they are celebrating their birthday. I've tried all my best to work on my tummy. My tummy is still big, like as if I'm pregnant. 1 minute, I'll show you guys I'll show you guys my tummy. My tummy is still big. I have tried all my best. I used to wear waist trainer. If you have watched my video, there's one of my video that I was even wearing the waist trainer to record. Me, I don't tire. My tummy is as if I'm 7 months pregnant. Today, I was telling somebody in church. That was when I decided to talk about this thing, like publicly talk about it. I was talking to somebody in church today that my children will be celebrating birthday on Sunday. They will be 1 year old. She was like, I thought you are pregnant. Pregnant? How? I just gave birth to twins. They are not up to you. How will I be pregnant? This pregnant? Like, oh, sorry, I thought you are pregnant. And I asked her, come sister, do I look pregnant? She said, yes, you look pregnant. Hey. Yeah, normally if woman give birth in Nigeria, where I'm from, after her childbirth, the mom, anybody around will use hot water to press the place, everything, tie wrapper over it or wear girdle or anything just to lessen it. But for those of us, for this time, I gave birth, in case you don't know, I gave birth via CS, cesarean section. So I couldn't tie that African tying. So after some time, I decided wearing girdle. But at the end of the day, it's not working for me. Is it working for anybody? If it's working for any of you, please let me know in the comment section below. My tummy is too big, very big. Even my partner make fun of me. Sometimes he was like, don't you think you are pregnant? I know I'm not pregnant, but he knows I'm not pregnant. But he just want to make jest of me. He just want me to feel as if I'm pregnant. I'm not. And people, even sometimes if I'm walking on the street, nowadays I do wear big things, but most Italians say, they'll ask me, saying, Shinta, no, son Shinta, are you pregnant? No, I'm not pregnant, but I look pregnant. If any of you guys know any remedy for me to fight this empty belly pregnancy, please leave it in the comment section for me. I really want to help myself. I'm tired of people thinking I'm pregnant where I have twins of almost a year at home. Very bad and very frustrating. Too bad. I'll get okay. They say I eat too much. I breastfeed. My partner is here laughing. I breastfeed. Why won't I eat? If I don't eat, what will they eat? I breastfeed, for goodness. So I have to eat so I can breastfeed. I'll see some people giving, after some time, their tummy has gone back to normal, like normal feel. But it's exactly 1 year yet. Nothing is going down. It's still big as if, what should I do? I'm tired. Nowadays, I wear clothes like this. Let me show you guys. This is the clothes I wear. You see? This native actually is made by me. I made this. Jack of all trade. So, I can't wear straight gown. No, let me show you. For some reason, I can't open my tummy, but let me show you. Do you see? Can you see that? Do you see how pregnant I am? You see? See? Even the way some people take bone not big rich like this. Do you see that? It's very frustrating. Very, very frustrating. I don't know. Or maybe some people will feel like, oh, Sharon, it's because you gave birth via CS. That's why your tummy is this big. That's why I want to talk story of this, my friend. My friend, I have this friend. She has 3 children via CS. And if you see her belly, hey, she be like Naomi Campbell. Why can't I be like her? So they want to make this CS via giving birth thing like, oh, if you give birth via CS, your tummy is supposed to be. No. I know so many Italians, so many white, so many people, they'll give birth via CS. At the end of the day, their belly will still go down. Why my own just big, no go down like I get belly tire? It's not good at all. Please, I need help. I need help. I'm tired. I need help. And if you ask me another question, my first daughter, she's 16 years now. I gave birth to her via normal childbirth. These twins now, they are CS. I gave birth to them via, Nigerian people call it operation. Yes, now cesarean section. But if you ask me, my sisters, my brothers, my family, if you ask me, I will tell you this one is better. That one, you will be in labor from morning till night, be shouting, wah, wah. Me, I don't get that straight. But this one, they will just roll you inside there. Just sleep. The next thing you will see your children majestically. It's too sweet, oh. If you ask me, I will choose this one. If I have a choice to choose, I will choose this one. I've tested it one. I prefer this one. That one. Nyash got here poor. Who does that? No. I prefer this one, but at this point, it's a year since twins came. I'm tired. I need help. Somebody help me before I lose my mind. If I want to wear English, I will wear things like this. I want to wear native, I will wear things like this. Too bad now. I need help. I'm complaining that I need help. Look at what my partner gave me. Okay. As soon as I do this, I will go and eat semo. And I'm crying, I need help. I'm hungry because I just breastfed. The 2 of my twins, one of them don't breastfeed anymore. She stopped at 4 months. When she was 4 months old, she stopped taking breast milk. She take normal other milk, eat other food, but she stopped taking breast milk. But my first twin, which is Tiana, she's still sucking breast. She's still taking breast milk. And I intend to give her auntie. I still have this one. Thank you. This one is sweet. And I intend to give her until 2 years. I don't know. Maybe if she stopped by herself, Vabene, but if not, I'll give her until 2 years. But most importantly, please share this video with anybody that you know can help me, can recommend something for me. I don't like artificial thing. I don't like all those natural something. Recommend natural something for me to help myself. I'm tired. I want to slay now. Because I don't born twins, I don't slay again. Sometimes I will tell my partner to take me out. He tell me, with this your big belly, just imagine. Just imagine. Please, I need help. Twins are 1 year old now. They are growing. They be babe. Maybe I say mercy to my babe now. Ha. Okay, that's the end of today. If you have watched to this extent and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. Please subscribe. And if you subscribe, always comment on my videos so I know I have friends, people are watching. Share with friends. If any of my video is helpful and you think a friend need any of my video, please share with them and leave me a sweet comment. Even if it's a negative comment, even if it's a critic comment, it will help me grow, you know. So leave me any comments. I would like them, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.